I just wanted to send you a nice little welcome video. My name is Dennis Clark. I'm your sponsor with List Lion. I started the 3-day challenge a few days ago, and just wanted to send a video and just to convince you that this is something that's real. I'm a real person, obviously. I'm sending you the email, and thank you for taking interest. Looks like you opted in to with my List Lion opt-in page, and that alone is, if you think about it, that alone is proof that the system does work. And then to go forward to pay the $7, of course, that's the next step. And really, it's all about taking action, guys. I don't know how else I could even prove it to you. There is so much that you could learn for just paying $7. I'm going to try to explain it to you as much as I can in a short video, because I know I don't like long, boring videos at all myself. I always skip those, and I go on YouTube. I'm drenched and just bombarded with all these sales videos that show up, and I always press the skip button all the time until I had a good friend I met on Facebook, and he's been sharing some of the different opportunities he's in. He told me he found something that would probably help me out, and it was called List Lion. And I don't have a ton of money I want to put in or can invest in any of these programs. I've been into so many that have really gone nowhere, so I can understand what you're going through. He told me this is different, to trust him, and I did. I paid the $7. I got in. I started doing the 3-day challenge with List Lion, and just really surprised. It's way different. It's nothing that I've ever seen before. It's all true what this guy says in the video. So please watch the video on the page that I'm sending out to you. I'm going to send you guys more emails coming out because I'm convinced this works. You just got to believe me. Click on that. Click on the link on the emails I'm sending out. Watch that video that's on that page when you go on there. And just pay the $7. It's that simple. And you get 100 leads for free within that 3-day challenge training. You get your own email service set up for free. You could have up to 2,500 emails in this service, and it's no cost to you. There's no monthly cost. You get your own email autoresponder. You can import as many autoresponders as you want. You could have up to 2,500 email leads in your list at no cost of any kind per month. You get 100 leads for free just for $7. I don't know of anywhere at any time in past 20 years I've been doing this stuff online. I mean, I feel like it's been 20 years. It's probably been maybe 15 at the most, but it's been a long time. And this is the first time that I ever seen anything like this, period, for a one-time fee of $7. I mean, there is nothing out there I could even say that could compare to this that I can think of right now. There's just no way. So guys, I'm just really encouraging you to take that step. It's $7. It's less than a cup of Starbucks coffee out there if you're in the U.S. I'm in Washington State. I live in Seattle. And Starbucks is on every corner. You can get a coffee for under $10 now. That's how ridiculous it is, okay? So $7 for a business, they give you 100 customers right off the bat. How is that possible? I don't know how they do it. I mean, where are they making their money out of? I mean, really, how in the hell are they doing this? But it's real. I had my leads imported in my own list. I have my own autoresponder, my own email service. I can email them as many times as I want at no cost. 100 leads for free. Complete video training of how to set up everything, how to do everything, how to generate traffic, even how to set up campaigns and how TikTok works and how to get TikTok traffic. There's nothing else out there. Nothing even helps you with TikTok alone. That's a brand new thing that's out there there's millions of people on there, and they show you how to even set that up. You can generate leads completely automatic pilot. I mean, there's a lot involved in this, $47. Click the link in the email, sign up, pay the $7, and start your 3-day challenge right now. You'll definitely not regret it. I'll be there to help you guys out. Have a great day, because I'm excited about this, definitely.